Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of my new e-bike, the AMYET V9 G60. I'm going to go ahead and put all the specs of this e-bike on the screen for you. At this price point per performance is the reason why I pulled the trigger on this particular bike. I forgot to mention that this is my first e-bike, and I would actually recommend this bike for all the newbies as well. The bike has already been pre-installed up to about 95%. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please post those in the comments and I will read them. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Well, there she is, boys. Now, the only things I had to really install was the front tire. As you can see there, it's not connected. The handlebar and the headlight. And I think that's it. And the rest of the items were pre-installed. So I don't know if this is the same with all the bikes, but mine was pretty much ready to go. And of course, the two boxes that I told you guys about earlier. The smaller one contains the headlights, and the other one contains the toolkit and the handlebar holder and also the manual.